Hello scrapers, wondering why your emails aren't getting any replies? As business owners and marketers, you put time and effort into writing emails that connects. But if your email list has outdated or fake addresses, those emails never even reach the inbox. That means more bounces, lower engagement, and even bad sender score. That's why email validation matters. It checks if an email is real before you hit send. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use email address validator in Outscraper to validate your email. So let's dive right in. Over to Outscraper and log into your account. To access this service, just click on Services and search on Email Address Verifier. Email Address Verifier validates email addresses, checks deliverability, and filters out blacklist spam traps while significantly reducing your bounce rate. For this example, I will use a list of email that I want to verify. And I will paste it in the query box. Check all the parameters and hit Get Data. Here, you will be prompted by a window containing the information of your script. Hit Confirm and let Outscraper do its work. And after the process is done, you can download your result by clicking this download button. In the columns, the most important column is status. And the other column gives you more details about the emails that you are trying to verify. That's how you use email address verifier in Outscraper. Head over to Outscraper and try our free tier. Happy scraping!